Hi, do you ever want to renovate your YouTube studio pretty much for free? Let's talk about it. Okay, as you can see here, my YouTube studio, uh, which I renovate, cost me almost zero. Okay, how I do it is basically look for materials in my basement or around the house that I can use to pretty much make it look a little bit better than previously. As you can see, my other videos, my wall was actually white. It was just the dry wall. So now I use the tile. This is a simulated ceramic tile, which is sticky at the back. I just place it onto the dry wall and then nail it in, and there we go. It looks like that. It looks pretty cool. The carpet here, as I nailed that in as well, it acts as a sound barrier, allowing it to absorb all the echoing sound in this room, which is pretty cool, right? Again, that's also free. That was lying around. The table here that I have, I made it myself using a broken tripod and of course a compressed wood, and then you just nail it together. That's it. And of course, my lamp light is probably the only one, and with a few exceptions to the lighting system. Costs a few bucks here and there, but the lamp itself is the most expensive, which is like 15 bucks. And there we go. Makes this room kind of pretty nicely lit. There's light over that side and here as well, and the bottom here. Again, I did that all myself. This room here cost me less than, I guess, including all the lights and all that, less than 50 bucks. Pretty cool, right? So basically, you have to be creative on how you do this thing, and think about what you have at home, in your basement, in your garage. Take it all out. Think about how you can arrange it, and that's it. And no need to buy new things. Just get everything that's lying around and put it together, and that's it. Now let me show you the video on how I do the wall. All right, have a good watch. Using a tile to cover the wall.